Yep. Oh my God.
Look at the rims, dog.
Oh my God. Welcome back to the biggest review of this car since the day I got it. We have been 2 years, 41,000 plus kilometers. We have been traveling, we've been racing, we have crashed it, you name it, this car has now done it. 2 full years of winter driving or seasons, and she's looking pretty good, I must say. Total damage to get the front end fixed when I crashed it was 26,000 Canadian dollars. Just got the window tint fixed. I've been all over the country. Just got home from a 1,400 kilometer road trip. Spent 7.5 hours on the drive home, solidly in the driver's seat, and I must say this car is unbelievably comfortable. You guys know my arthritis has been pretty awful the last 2 years, so for me getting comfortable is a very difficult feat, but this car managed to do it. It's an incredible car. There's been no issues. I've done a lot of really cool things with this car since the day I got it, but I must say the most important thing that I have done was not a modification. The most important thing I've done is getting to know some of the unsung heroes of the car world that are literally amongst us every single day. People who do a lot of miles, people who do a lot of mods, people who just tastefully do little things, people who do crazy graphic schemes, and it's just a very, very humbling experience to get to know so many people that you would otherwise never discover throughout your daily life. So I would like to thank everybody who came out to the meets and made all of this possible. If you didn't come out to the meets to give me cars to make content and share and show all of the sponsors what I was doing and who I'm talking to, and that I do have the ability to bring people out, none of this would have happened. Now let's talk sponsors. ACS Composites has been an unbelievable partner to work with. They make great products. They are considered one of the best in the industry at what they do. And what they do that is so important and different than the other guys is they do not mock their stuff up. They do not mock their stuff up with cardboard and try to make templates and molds and whatever. What they do is they actually take the actual GM spec and they make CAD drawings off of it. The fit that they consider reasonable is the fit that fits well or perfect. And I must say, after using a bunch of their products and more on the way, they absolutely achieve it hands down. Blackview Dashcam, they have been amazing. Their products are amazing. They've been amazing to work with on the channel and super, super supportive. Stow and Show, another product I would not want to live without. I would put it on absolutely every car I ever buy. They've been amazing. Their customer service is absolutely top-notch. BigMikesPerformance.com. Check them out. I buy directly from the companies I deal with. I don't usually go through third-party distributors. But the most important person in this whole situation is you guys. If you don't like the videos, share the videos, comment on the videos. If you don't interact with me and call me out when I'm wrong, suggest things, communicate with me as the creator on the channel, this does not progress to be any better. The first 2 years on this channel have been a blink, but there's a very important question still left remaining here. What is next? What more can we do to this car? What more should I do to this car? What more can I do to this car? I'm putting canards on the front. I'm doing a hitch on the back to tow a trailer. We're going racing, we're going driving, we're going road tripping, we're going to car shows, we're having car meets. The next few years of my life are going to be so packed full of going, doing, seeing, experiencing, and enjoying your company, your feedback, learning, enjoying the car, smashing a ton more miles on it. We are just on the cusp of getting this channel started, and it is going to be an extremely, extremely exciting 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 years. I don't know. However long YouTube exists and however long it manages to offer me an opportunity, that's how long we're gonna be here. Don't buy it Ford. I'm gonna catch a lot of flack for this because a 2-year review, we're not talking about what went wrong and the issues I've had with the car. The car has been spectacular. There hasn't been any major issues. The only issues I've had, I made videos on at the time, and they were usually always self-inflicted. I still have a groan in the rear diff. I don't know, I guess I make one corner, it goes away. I don't really care. It's not really an issue to me. Rotofab cold air intake had an issue. I'm not alone. More people have contacted me. But all in all, at the end of the day, this car is worth every cent I have spent on it and will continue to be an absolute monster. It has been an absolute pleasure spending the last 2 years of my life sharing everything I could about this car. Learning, growing, developing, everything. Everything has been spectacular. If you like what you see and you want to follow along on the journey, please subscribe, share, like, comment, interact with me. I absolutely love it. Till next time, guys, take care, drive safe, behave, as always.
I'm feeling I'm feeling found a way, yeah. But you never go away. So I guess I gotta stay now. Oh, I hope someday I'll make it out of there, even if it takes all night. Oh, 100 years need a place to hide, but I can't find one that wanna feel alive outside. I can't find my fear. Isn't it lovely? Alone, heart made of glass, my mind of stone. Time in pieces, skin and bone. Welcome home. Walking out of town, looking for a better place. Something's on my mind, always in my space. But I hope someday